Okay, so we are here to do exercises 4-4. This is number 1. We're doing ours on figuring out how to do ellipses. Yep, ellipses. And your labels are going to be B or OB and 0, -B. And then you're going to have your outside ones, your A's, and your inner marks, your C's. So for problem number 1 in the homework, your foci are 4, 0, and -4, 0. So you're going to mark those inside of your lines on your chart. And then your vertices are 5 and -5, 0. So you're going to mark those as your as those. And for this problem specifically, you're going to need to find your B point. And in order to do that, since these run along the x-axis and not along the y, you would use this equation over here, which is your c squared plus b squared equals a squared. And you would also use this to find your equation, which is your x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equaling you 1. And you'll, throughout these problems, remember to always, that your foci is always going to be C, which is your 4 and -4. And your vertices are going to be, always going to be your A. Okay, so right now we're going to take the 5s and the 4s and we're going to plug them into the top equation for the x-axis. So you're going to plug in your 4 for the C plus b squared, because that's what we're trying to find. Then you're going to take your 5, which is your a squared, and plug that in there. So you'll get 16 plus b squared equals 25. Subtract 16 from both sides, getting you b squared equals 9. And the square root of 9 is 3. So b equals 3. So we figured that out. From here to here is 3, and from here to here is -3. So for your equation, you're going to bring it over here, and you're going to plug it in, getting you x squared over, 25 plus y squared over, b squared, 9 equals 1. That's your equation. And then for that, you have that. And then you're going to try and find your minor and your major. Your minor is always going to be 2b, and your major is always going to be 2a. So we're going to move on to the next type of problem, which is problem number 9 through 12. They give you what a and b equal. So you take, and then they give you the axis that it's going to be on. So you're going to take your x-axis problems, and you're going to plug it in. So from over here, it's going to be c squared. Yeah, c squared plus b squared equals a squared. So it's going to be c squared plus 3 squared equals 5 squared, getting you 9 equaling 25. Subtract 9 from both sides, getting you c squared equals 16. Square root that, c equals 4. So you're going to bring it over here to plug it into this problem. Numbers there. And there's that. The circle is going to go along your x-axis. If you so happen to get a y-axis one, instead of the circle going this way, it'll go up and down. That you can tell by like problem number 11 and 12. The circle is going to switch angles or ways, whichever. And then problems number 13 through 20. The problem in your book state is 4x squared plus 9y squared equals you 36. You want to get everything to equal 1, just like up there in the problems. So they give you x squared. So what you're going to do is going to take 4y, and you're going to take, or 4x, and you're going to take the 4 here, because you're going to divide everything by 36. And you're going to take the 4 here and place it down here, and take the 9 from here and place it down here, getting your equation x squared over 9 plus y squared over 4 equals 1.